Some of you might be familiar with a site called Pinterest. This is kind of like a Pinterest site, and Pinterest is a place where you pin together ideas of things that you really like. So you might have a board about recipes, and I pin a whole bunch of recipes there. Mine is about teaching or working out. So this is kind of the same thing. So what you can do here is you can find quotes or pictures or words that you like. So things that I might put in my writer's notebook, for example, um, is if I were to do a restaurant review for my favorite restaurant, it's Saki Cafe here in Albany. Oh, there's the update that they're not open right now. Um, but I might go back. Actually, maybe I'll do an image instead. And um, take a picture, let's say, of one of their pieces of sushi or something like that. So I would say save image and something like sushi, put it on a place I could find it. And now when I go back to my board here, I'm going to put insert an image. I'm uploading it because I saved it there, but you guys know how to copy and paste images and all of that. And sushi. There it is. And I'll know that that means I might want to write about, not just about sushi, but about a restaurant review about Sake Cafe. One of my goals as a writer is to be more descriptive. So I might look up what's the thing, an article I could read or something I could use, a list of words, a strategy that might help me with descriptive writing. I could link something in, or I could find an image. Let me take a look. I don't want to jump right into something. This one looks good. A lot of you have been writing stories and you've been sharing them with me for months now. So this talks specifically about writing a novel and descriptive writing. So I want to link this in because I want to come back and read this article so it can help me be another better writer. So I'm going to insert a link and there it goes. Now I could also put an image there, but when I click on it, I'll know exactly what it is. Over here, oh my goodness, something I totally need to write about. What I totally need to write about right now is teaching on the internet and how hard it is. It is really hard. Like I think I'm explaining things and then I'm really not. What does it look like to teach in a virtual classroom? So I like this image here because I feel like the globe is the center and we're all kind of just on our computers trying to get it together. So I'm doing a copy and a paste right in there. And I'll get to adjust it. Move it right in there. Now, when you click here, you'll still see my article. So it's basically, here are the things I write about. What's my best day ever? That would probably be my wedding day. So I might put a wedding picture there. Quotes. Yesterday, I read this awesome poem and I took a line from that poem and I wrote my own poem. So I might do something like that. So this is a place for you to generate ideas and you can change this. Let's say you say, I don't really have writing memes and I want to change this to meme because I know that you guys love memes. You can change these categories if you need to. So I would ask that you keep writing goals because I do want to know what your writing goal is and you could always just type it right in there. You don't have to find an article, but for the rest of them, you can change things if you these categories. You don't need to keep them the same.